Want to cut you short here or sell you something that I didn't, that I promised and not give it. I said that we would look at the show RESTful action 2. So let's go back and do that. So we had made this post, but we were talking about recipes. So we have a recipes index page. What if we wanted recipes /1, say, the first recipe? Right now that's returning a 404 error. So if I do flask make view, here, let me bring it up to the top for you clear. Flask make view, and then I do recipes dot show, and let's use the short version. So we're gonna say we need to wire this up. So I want a route and a controller, and I don't need model. If I did model, I would get kind of a warning saying, hey, you already have a recipes model, so we don't need the model. And it works. Awesome. Let's go and look, because things got edited instead of created this time. So let's just go real quick here. Oops. And look and see what happened. So in our routes, in our recipes, here is what we ended up with. And notice there's your ability. You now have, if you're new to frameworks, you now have just created an infinite number of pages because there are an infinite number of counting numbers. So there's your route for every single recipe. And then we need that got registered in the controller. So let's go to the controller and look at our recipes controller. And here it is. VS Code is making this like opacity a little lighter, saying, hey, you have a variable here, but you didn't use it. I put that variable in there for you to use so that you can go look in your database and grab that, and then you would return it in here. Maybe in a future version of Flask Commands, I'll just go ahead and do that for you, detecting the model and push that through, because it's kind of more boilerplate. Okay, so that's really what we got here. Everything just kind of works. Let's see, in the next video, we're going to nest this. So let's say that we have recipes and we want to allow users to make comments on those recipes. So we would need a recipes comments kind of connection here, and we'll do that in the next video.